Hey gearheads, welcome back to Automotive Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 6 best dual dash cam that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. In the first part, we run down what these brands are and then cover the latest news about them and how you can purchase them. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started.
Autoverse Authority, where passion meets performance. Number 6.
In our list, the number 6 product name is Vantrue N2 Pro. Moreover, the front ear mode at 2.5K resolution impressed me with its ability to capture clear license plates and road signs. The 4IR LED interior camera ensures crystal clear footage even in the dark, making it perfect for late-night drives. The sleek design also includes a parking mode that activates with motion, so your car is monitored 24/7. Installing this dash cam was a breeze, and I appreciated the thoughtful extras like the auto LCD off feature, which eliminates distractions while driving. However, I wish the GPS mount was included in the base package. It's an optional add-on for tracking your route, speed, and location. Pros: crystal clear dual 1080p recording for the road and cabin. Infrared night vision captures footage in low light conditions. G-sensor and loop recording ensure critical moments are safely stored. On 24 motion activated parking mode for added security. Cons: GPS functionality requires purchasing a separate mount. Recommended to use specific Vantrue micro SD cards for compatibility.
Number 5.
In our list, the number 5 product name is Rove R2 4K Pro Dash Cam. When I started using the Rove R2 4K Pro Dash Cam, it completely transformed my driving experience. The 2160p UHD recording captures every detail with clarity, whether it's license plates or road signs. With a 150-degree wide-angle lens and advanced night vision, it's perfect for both daytime drives and nighttime adventures. Additionally, the built-in GPS and real-time speed tracking on the 2.4 IPS screen are game changers. I loved how easy it was to view, download, and share videos through the 5G Wi-Fi and free Rove app. Plus, the over-the-air updates keep the dash cam running smoothly. What sets it apart is the custom 24-hour parking mode. Whether you use time-lapse, motion detection, or collision detection, it ensures your car is monitored even when parked. However, note that the hardwired kit is sold separately. So, the Rove's 4K UHD recording with a wide-angle lens for maximum detail, built-in GPS tracks speed, routes, and location. 5G Wi-Fi and app integration makes sharing videos effortless. Advanced parking mode with multiple detection options. Cons: requires a separate hardwire kit for parking mode. Compatible with road memory cards for optimal performance.
Number 4.
In our list, the number 4 product name is Nextbase 622 GW Dash Cam. When I started using the Nextbase 622 GW Dash Cam, I instantly noticed its superior 4K recording quality at 30 fps. The clarity is remarkable, capturing even the smallest details like license plates and road signs. With options for 14.4 tip at 60 fp and 1080p at 120 fp, I can easily tailor the settings to my needs. Moreover, the built-in What Through Words integration is a lifesaver. It pinpoints my exact location globally, even offline, making it invaluable during emergencies. The image stabilization ensures smooth and clear footage even on bumpy rides, and the super slow motion feature helps me review critical details effortlessly. I was impressed by its enhanced night vision and extreme weather mode, which deliver clear recordings in low light or foggy conditions. Alexa integration is another standout feature, letting me control smart devices, get directions, or even listen to audiobooks hands-free while driving. And integration pros: 4K UHD recording for unmatched video clarity. Words integration for precise global location. Enhanced night vision and weather mode for all conditions. Alexa built in for seamless hands-free functionality. Rear camera module sold separately for dual-angle recording. learning the advanced features might take some time for beginners.
Number 3.
In our list, the number 2 product name is Garmin Dash Cam Mini 3. When I installed the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 3, I was amazed by its ultra-compact key-size design. It sits discreetly on my windshield, providing crisp 1080p HD video with a 140-degree field of view. Whether in bright daylight or low light, the built-in clarity polarizer ensures glare-free and detailed recordings. Additionally, the automatic recording feature saves videos of any detected incidents with date and time, offering peace of mind. Paired with the Garmin Drive app, I can easily access saved clips or use advanced features like Live View and Parking Guard with a subscription. Moreover, the voice control function is a lifesaver for hands-free operation. I can save video clips or toggle audio recording with simple spoken commands. It's perfect for those busy commutes when safety and focus are paramount. Pros: compact and discreet design, clear 1080p video with glare reduction, Parking Guard and Live View for remote monitoring. Advanced features require a paid Vault subscription. Parking Guard needs constant power and active Wi-Fi.
Number 1.
In our list, the number 1 product name is Nextbase IQ Dash Cam. When I installed the Nextbase IQ 4K Smart HD Dash Cam, I immediately felt a new level of control and security on the road. Its stunning 4K resolution captures even the tiniest details, while the built-in infrared cabin camera at 14.4 tip ensures extra protection inside my vehicle. Whether parked or driving, I can count on it for crystal clear footage. Additionally, the SmartSense parking feature is a game changer. With its AI, profound spatial awareness, and instant threat alerts, I can monitor movement around my car and take action before something happens. Plus, the Guardian mode lets me set speed and location limits, offering peace of mind when someone else drives my car. Furthermore, I was impressed with the witness mode. Just saying start witness mode in a risky situation locks onto the incident and shares live footage with a trusted contact. Knowing I'm never truly alone while driving is incredibly reassuring. Perosi, 4K resolution with front and rear coverage. Live View via the Nextbase IQ app for remote monitoring. Emergency SOS and witness mode for enhanced safety. Consents. Some features, like RoadWatch AI, are still upcoming. Requires reliable connectivity for advanced features.
Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Bye.